Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with another Zury Sis wig review. This one is one of their Slay units, and this one is the Slay Bianca in 1B. You know, y'all know I don't really be getting 1B units like that, but this one is so cute on the model that I just needed it in the 1B. I was a little iffy because I have my Yara Bang wig and she's gotten so frizzy at the bottom. I cannot deal because that's just not how my hair naturally is. I just don't know how to deal with it. And I don't want to cut the wig and I don't want to just add heat to it and cause more damage. So I don't know. Wow. She is blunt cut. I live for a blunt cut. Ooh. Here's the stocking card, which of course I'm all for that one, that 613 I'm assuming she's in. She comes in blonde, in lemon, in platinum. So this one again does not have any lace. The last Zury Sis that I tried on did not have lace as well, but I have to finesse her a little bit. This one has a little tiny bit of shedding. I think it's just loose hairs. It has the little blunt cut bangs. Let's see what the stocking construction is like. The wig construction is got two combs in the front. The cap has the tracks on it. They're like lace tracks. And then it has a really beautifully sized comb in the back. Wepa. It has the adjustable straps. I'm going to leave them the way they are. Zury Sis wigs are quite big head friendly in a sense. So actually let me, because that was my big gripe with my last wig that I just reviewed from Zury Sis. It's that the wig cap is just hitch, big mistake, hitch. Ooh, okay, this one fits a lot more, not snugger, yeah, snugly. Ooh, oh shit, we didn't even come to play today. All right, who's daddy am I screwing to make you my stepdaughter? I don't even recognize myself. Bitch. I know. Bitch. Alright, I'm gonna pull all the hair to the front. Bitch. Bitch. Yeah. This is Evie's true form. Blunt cut bangs, dominatrix style. It just, oh. I mean, there's not much to say about this wig. Motherfuckers delivering shit and not even ringing the fucking doorbell because God fucking forbid. Thanks, motherfuckers. Fucking FedEx, yo. Threw everything on the side of the house, stacked all the boxes up and left. It's for my dogs. So anyway, I feel that I can wear this wig every day, every single day. Be a bitch and still look cute. This is that bitch. Just straighten her out a little bit. She's about 18 inches, 16 to 18 inches in focused length. This camera's trying me. I'm mad at this wig. What other colors does she come in? Because Zury Sis did not, Bianca is going to get bought. This review is short and sweet and to the point. The cap construction feels great. It's not bumpy or lumpy. It is snug. So if you are one that has issues with smaller wig caps, this is kind of on the smaller end. I would recommend, if you do get this wig, to not use the adjustable straps. Just kind of tuck them in behind your ears. There's like no ear tabs that are kind of in the way. You can see my hair right there. I'm not mad at it. You can pull this down more if you have a bigger forehead. If you want more of the, I don't know. If you want more of the emo look, this is the way you would go. You can pull back the bangs. I think this is perfect. The construction on this, the hair is smooth. This is a light yaki texture. You can see the texture on the hair. You can see the yakiness, like the ridges of the hair, and that's what yaki kind of means. So it's a very sleek, light yaki texture, or a sleek yaki texture. I don't know if it's a thing, but it's a thing now. I made it on this channel. The layers on it, the way that it's bluntly cut, but it's cut in like layering method. She's bomb, babes. She's bombs. Get her. I don't even care if you even want a wig. If you don't, this is the wig. Like, everyone wants their like kinky looking wig. Everyone wants that freaky deaky, I'm the boss wig. This one is it. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. If you don't like it, cool. Don't wear it. That's pretty much it for my Zury Sis Slay Bianca wig in the shade 1B. I love it. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.